ready to ditch those light pollution blues, because the Unistellar Equinox 2 is here to revolutionize the way you see the universe. I used to think amazing astrophotography was only possible in remote areas, far from the city glow. But then I got my hands on this, the Unistellar Equinox 2. And let me tell you, this telescope laughs in the face of light pollution. The Equinox 2 uses cutting-edge technology to cut through the haze and deliver crystal-clear views of galaxies millions of light-years away. And the best part? It's incredibly easy to use. Just set it up, period. Connect to your phone, and let the telescope do the rest. Imagine this. You're kicking back in your backyard, scrolling through a list of galaxies on your phone, and with a single tap, period, the Equinox 2 automatically slews to your target, period, capturing stunning images of spiral arms and star clusters. It's like having a personal portal to the universe, right at your fingertips. Ready to unlock the secrets of the cosmos without leaving your backyard?